Welcome to Red Rock Canyon. On our way to Red Rocks. Only about a 30-minute drive from the Las Vegas Strip takes you out to Red Rock Canyon. $20 a car. Just paid the fee, $22 per car. That includes the tax and everything. And supposedly you have to have a time reservation, but it wasn't busy, so she just let us in. But make sure you get the reservation if it's gonna be busy. Check the views. We're on the scenic drive right now. Forgot how long this drive is, but it goes for a ways and it's very scenic. We're at Red Rock Canyon, short drive outside of Las Vegas. $22 to come in, well worth it. About to go on some hikes out here.
Oh yeah.
Calico Hills Trail, let's see.
How long are they? One way, 3 miles.
1.1 mile, 0.8. We are here, you can go this way. Let's probably do this one.
Yeah, I think you're right. Let's do that.
I've done that one before, it was good.
This way and left?
To the left, yeah.
Okay.
When I went to the right, that's where I got stuck.
Ooh.
We're gonna do the trail going this way. I've done both ways, but I think I preferred this one. I can't really remember. We'll see. All right, that was a little bit of the right side. Now we're going to the left. We're doing the Grand Circle Loop. All right, we have a false start here. They're going back to get the dog, and then we're going on the trail. So in the meantime, I think I'll just show some scenery. Some birds. Hopefully we see some wildlife. I did see like deer or something out here before. All right, these girls are taking forever. I'm just standing here forever. So maybe we should go on without them. Spotted them at the top of the ridge. Finally, we can get going.
This one has a little marker. Oh,
looks like I found 2 damsels in distress. Follow me, I'll save you. And watch out for snakes and poop.
Also got up effortlessly.
Can you do it, Wilco?
Boy.
Hey, buddy.
I should have done it in cinematic, but I still got it. That's probably really cute.
Got a bunch of rock climbers out here. You tired, Wilco?
Nope. Big shape.
More and more climbers as we go. Even backpacker, huh? That's hard work. All right, this loop's not that great. It's not really loopy, but it does have some good views, but it would be cool to go in, so maybe we'll go in a little bit when we head back. So yeah, this hike we're on is just like the upper ridge, looking at the rocks, and you can look down in the canyon, but I'd actually recommend you guys go down and into the canyon. This is beautiful too, but check it. You can go down here. All right, that loop was cool, but we gave up on it. We didn't go all the way, and we're heading back to the starting point where we first went left, and this time we're going right. All right, we didn't make it back yet. There's a couple cool things we stopped to see, including this little cave.
Wow.
This is cool. Could fit a whole bear in there.
A little sleeper Wilco. I was gonna say, is this your new home? Watch out for Spooky or Sticky. So be cute.
Wilco, this is your new home.
Desert puppy.
Made it back to the start. Parking lot up there. Here we are on the main path going down where he did the left side. So I'm going to show you guys what the right side is like. Now we just got a big tour bus. All right, we're heading down into the actual canyon. A lot better than just doing the ridge. Down here we got all the cracks and the crevices. Sarah's gonna take a photo here. Freya the Slayer. All right, we've hit a dead end over here. We could go up to that thing though. Let's see what's at the bottom. Oh, you might be able to parkour your way down, or just tumble your way to death. So, no parkour today. The rock formations here and the colors are so cool. It's obviously called red rock because it's red, but you got a little bit of other tones in here too. Whoa. We made it!
Oh.
This way looks like it might be correct. Loop around down there. Whoa! Almost fell. It's dangerous. Don't fall. Whoa. Ooh, I like when they got the sand. Let's see what the sand's like. Hopefully there's no snake under here. Just grab them. Real fine sand from the red rock. All right, we found the rock climbing area. You can see they got the hooks here. This looks like maybe easy mode. This is not too tall, 20 or so feet. But we saw some giant rock faces over there. Up there was the main way where you can decide left or right. So we just did a little loop down and around. Pretty good views down here. All right, that's it for this area. We did a couple little hikes to both sides. I say I prefer going to the right into the canyon. That's pretty cool. Now we're just going off into the sunset. Hey, if you enjoy hiking in this canyon, smash that like button, hit subscribe. We just got done with the Red Rock Canyon hike. Now we're doing the scenic drive. How's this drive?
Scenic.
Very. A lot of people stopped here getting photos and stuff. It's a beautiful spot. We got people. Porsche. Sandstone quarry. If you're biking out here, they got a whole bike repair station with a couple tools, air pump. It's pretty nice. This would be a nice bike ride out here. Wilco got tired. You tired, Wilco? White Rock Trailhead. Lost Creek Canyon. Pulled off to the side, another little parking lot with a trail. This one is Lost Creek Children Discovery Trail. Distance, oh, this is easy. It's just a 0.6 mile loop. But the sun is going down, so I think we're just gonna head out. Probably not do this. Plus, Wilco is very tired. This would be a good little loop though. Easy, all flat. Stop that. Willow Springs. Not far from that last stop, we got the, what is this? Willow Springs. Another easy hike, paved. Ooh, that'd be cool if we could see some of these wild sheep out here.
Ooh.
Oh,
Not today.
don't see any. It's also getting cold out here in the desert when the sun goes down. We're gonna go take a look at these rocks. Restoration in progress.
I don't know. I'm trying to.
This is cool. Agave roast. Old agave roasting pit. Oh, it's right in there, I think.
Oh.
No?
Oh yeah. Where the
Wait,
dark
where?
spots are. That's cool. That is cool.
Well, we went to the end of this, and there's a little loop and a road that continues, but it's a non-maintained road, so we're not going to do it in our rental car. Gonna head back, loop around. We got Icebox Canyon. This is on the way out. We're getting close to the exit, but around like mile 11, there was a campground, Oak Creek Campground. Do not feed wild horses in burrows. They got donkeys out here.